What's up? I'm Brittany Perry Russell, and you're tuned in to Dance Plug. I'm here with dancer extraordinaire and Dancers Alliance board member Ava Bernstein. What's going on? Tonight is a big night for dancers. What does it mean to you?
I'm just really excited. Like, I've been there through the whole process of, like, you know, getting the contract together and, you know, the negotiations and stuff like that. So it is so exciting. Like, this, it's here, it's done. Like, bam! I've already done a music video where we've signed this contract.
Really?
Like, it's exciting.
What music video is that?
That was the Nelly Furtado music video.
Nice,
Yes.
nice. What else do you have going on?
I've just been working on Glee, which has been fun. The new season, so we're doing some college stuff now. They're out of high school, some of them, so it's fun. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else?
I'm just excited to be here. Like, you know, just be around like generations of dance.
Yeah.
And, you know, have us all in one building right now. So.
Okay, cool. I heard there are going to be some amazing performances tonight. Can you give us a little exclusive on that?
I was here doing the run through and I just got chills. It's
Really?
kind of epic. Yes, like to see videos, the like original cast of a video you loved 11 years ago and they're all here and you're like, it's awesome.
Incredible.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Okay, so who's performing? Brian Freeman, Marty Kudelka, who else?
Marty, you got Sky Hoffman up there. You got Travis Payne and Tina Landon.
Ooh.
So it's going down.
That gave me chills, and I haven't even seen anything.